How to open Barclays bank account online. Opening or creating Barclays bank account online is quite easy and simple. Simply you need to open any browser on your device. For now, I'm opening Chrome browser. You can also open Safari and other kind of browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar or the web address bar and type in Barclays Bank. So let's type in here and search for this result. On this result section, on the first link only you will get the Barclays Bank link. So tap on it and open the website of Barclays Bank. Here, once it opens, tap on the login button at top right corner of the screen. As we know that we want to open or create the Barclays bank account online, so tap on the register now link. Once you tap on it, the other website opens where you have to go through who can register to Barclays bank account online. So the person need to live in the UK, be aged 16 or over, and have either a Barclays current account with the bank card, a saving account, or a mortgage, or be a merchant customer. Once you have read all the credentials and the informations available here, you need to scroll down and tap on the start button. Once done, you will be taken to this register page where there are the three steps you need to follow in order to register for online banking. You have to give all your credential, that is your last name, date of birth, postcode, account details. You need to select the type of Barclays account you have, the sort code, card number, contact details, your email address, confirm your email address, and then you need to check mark the small box, and then you need to tap on the next button. Once you are done with filling all the three steps, then you can successfully open or create Barclays bank account online. So that was so quite simple. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.